Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I will show you how to integrate ManyChat with your email list in 2025. This is a simple way to capture emails from your Messenger or Instagram chats and send them straight into your email marketing system. Step 1. Log into your ManyChat account and go to the Automation or Flow Builder section. Step 2. Create a new flow where you ask your users for their email. You can add a message block that says what is the best email to send you updates. Step 3. Use the user input option to collect the email. Make sure the reply type is set to email so ManyChat validates it correctly. Step 4. Once the email is collected, save it to the system fields inside ManyChat. This way it will be stored in the contact profile. Step 5. Now go to Integrations inside ManyChat. Here you can connect it directly to popular email services like MailChimp or export the collected emails as a CSV file. Step 6. Test the flow. Comment on your page or trigger the chat yourself, provide an email, and confirm it gets saved. And that is it. You just learned how to integrate ManyChat with your email list in 2025. This is a great way to combine messenger automation with email marketing for better results. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it.